Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as individual products in your collection page. This video is specific for creative theme. If you have any other theme, then you should explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published different codes with different themes. So on my screen, you can see that I have one product with 4 different variants and all the variants are displaying as an individual product. So if you are switching these swatches, then it automatically changes the color also. And if you are selecting this quick buy option, you can see that we have the option to click on add to cart and automatically that product will be added to the cart. Can you see? So now I will show you step by step that how you can implement all the things by your own by just copy and pasting the things. So the first thing is like you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading the code, you will be getting these files. Here you can see that I have 5 files. And firstly, you should click on document.txt. Inside of it, I have already mentioned all the steps which are required. So the first step is like create a new snippet. But before that, I have already added the code. So I am going to delete it quickly. So now I have deleted all the files which I already added. So if you will refresh the page again, you will see that only single product is showing. So that means all the other color variants are hidden now. So let's implement step by step. Here on the dashboard, you can see that I have installed creative theme. So firstly, you should click on these 3 dots and click on duplicate. So in that way, later on, if you have any problem, you can actually roll it back to its original version. Otherwise, if you have already duplicated the theme, then you should click on edit code. And here we have some files and folders. So let's follow the steps from the documentation. So the first step is like create a new snippet and name of that snippet will be color dash variant. And then paste attached code. So firstly, we need to click on these snippets, click on add a new snippet and write here the name of that snippet. So click on done and this will create an empty file. Now we are going to add here the code. So we have attached this code color dash variant.txt. So I'm going to copy this complete code and paste it inside of this file and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should close this file and again go back to the documentation. The second step is like create new snippet. Name of that snippet will be color dash product dash grid. Copy the name again and then click on add a new snippet, write here the name and click on done. This will also create a new empty file. Inside of it, we have to paste the attached code, which is this one, color dash product dash grid. Just copy this complete code and paste it inside of this and then click on save. Again, once the changes are saved, then you should close this file and go back to the documentation. The third step is like create a new snippet again and name of that snippet will be color dash product dash options. So copy this name again and here we have to click on add a new snippet, paste the name and click on done. And we need to put the attached code, which is this one, color dash product dash options. So copy this complete code and then paste it inside of this empty file and click on save. Again, once the changes are saved, then close the file again, go back to its documentation, follow the fourth step, which is go to the sections, open main dash collection dash product dash grid dot liquid and then replace this complete code with this one. So firstly, we need to go to the sections. Here you can see that we have sections folder, scroll it down and we have main dash collection dash product dot dash grid. So here we need to search these lines of code. So how we will be following it, you should copy this name actually, product dash grid dash item, and using control F or maybe command F, you can search it. So here we go. Now you can see that we have this block and we are going to replace it with this one. So let's copy this code and paste it right here. Firstly remove it and then paste the new code here. Once you paste it, then you can save the changes and then close the file again. Again go back to the documentation. We have the fifth step, which is go to snippets, click on variant-swatches.liquid. Firstly open that file. So here we have snippets. Scroll it down to the bottom. We have variant-swatches.liquid, and inside of it we have to replace below line of code. So this line we need to copy from here, and using Control F or maybe Command F, you will be able to find it. It will be highlighted. You need to replace this complete line with this one. And then click on save. So now the changes are saved. You can close this file also, and let's click on preview store and click on bracelets. And here we go. Now you can see that all the color variants are displaying on this collection page. And if I am clicking on any of this quick view, automatically the color is selected and material is also selected. So here the name of color is motif actually. This is a different language. If you are clicking on add to cart, so automatically this product will be added to the cart. Alright, so for example, I am removing the old products from the cart, and now if I am selecting this one, for example, you can see that I am clicking on add to cart, and here we go. Now you can see that this product is included into the cart. So you can also switch different colors here. So these swatches are also working. So finally we implemented the code. So if you are thinking you have any problem, so you can directly contact me. I will help you out in that. Feel free to ask the questions below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.